going to talk about the CAT multi-tool. It's got pliers with springs. The finish here is pretty smooth, so I like that part. Then the tools open up. It has a saw. Didn't like how it cut too much. The screwdrivers have pretty long reach, so that was a very good feature. The file not too sharp. It has also a flathead screwdriver there. This can opener has a sharp point here. I like this to use as a package opener. The big blades, which is this saw, the file, a serrated knife, and these all lock, so they have a frame here lock, which makes those blades secure. There is no lock for the intermediate tools, such as the screwdriver and such. They have only a spring that keeps it in place. It has kind of a really nice look. For the price, it's pretty good. This was selling in the $20-something, both at a hardware store and online, so it's not too bad. With that said, it's hard to compete now with some of the Leatherman Wave clones that have a quick open tools and sometimes a very high quality material. If you're gonna primarily use the pliers and the screwdrivers, I think this would be very, very good, particularly because the screwdrivers have long reach. I think it's good as long as you don't expect too much for the, say, the file and the saw and things of that nature. This is metal. It just, the design of it looks somewhat cool. So that's my take. Personally, I'm more inclined to carry either a Wave clone or other stuff. So these Gerbers are super lightweight and everything good quality. So this is a low-cost multi-tool. Thank you for watching.